Are you guys wishing for a white Christmas this year? Well, I live in Southern California, so we don't have any snow. But that's okay. So we're gonna make snow. All you need is just a diaper. Now, as all of you should know, diapers expand when you pee in it. Do you want to know the top secret? This is because of sodium polyacrylate. Sodium polyacrylate consists of a bunch of sodium ions and really, really long polyacrylate ions. The really, really long ions contain COO minus groups, which attract the water molecules. Because of that, it puffs up and it behaves a lot like a solid. In theory, the few grams I have here should get a few liters of water in there, so it will easily absorb a few milliliters of this. So, Rishi, can you give me a diaper? So, with this diaper and a few others, let's make a white Christmas. Ready?
Ready! First, get a diaper. Like these kinds. Second, get a scissor. And cut it. Cut it. Third, pour out the powder. We already did it. Right here.
So, are you guys ready for a white Christmas? First off,
Let's do this.
First off, with the powder of a few diapers, or one diaper, let's just put it here.
Dump it all.
Okay.
Right here.
And then just add a few milliliters of, just add some water.
Okay.
Now, the powder, which was very small, became huge after absorbing all the water.
No, humongous.
Now, it's ready to be played with. Ready, Ryan?
Ready? It was cold. Subscribe and like. Of course.